It's me, Mario!
Hello guys, we are the
Bytecode.
and I'm the leader of this group. My name is Emmanuel Dimisola.
My name is Jemani Sean Gabriel Pentingue.
My name is Jared Omnes.
And my name is Raji and Declaro.
And
Let's
let's
do
do
Arduino 101.
Hello everyone, this is Arduino project number 14, which is the infrared control light. So what we're going to do is we're going to use an IR remote and IR receiver to control an LED. When you press a button on the remote, the Arduino reads the signal from the IR receiver and turns the LED on or off based on the command. So here we have the materials. Here we have the DF Arduino Uno R3. It is a compact microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P, compatible with the Arduino IDE. It features color-coded headers, 4 easy sensor connections, and supports digital and analog inputs, making it perfect for learning, prototyping, and development. So here we have the prototype shield. It involves using an Arduino board, sensors, and actuators, and code to create a functional mock-up of a device or a system. Here we have the 5mm LED. It is a light indicator that shows the Arduino's output, but it must be used with a resistor to limit current. Next we have jumper cables, male to male. They are essential wires used in electronics to connect components on a breadboard or between modules. Male-to-male jumpers cables are flexible wires with male connectors on both ends, used to link electronics components during prototyping and circuit testing. So here we have the 220R ohms resistor. It is a safety component that controls the flow of electricity current in Arduino projects, especially for LEDs. And last we have IR receiver diode. It is a sensor used to detect infrared signals from a remote control and send them to the Arduino. The Arduino then reads the signals as codes and performs actions based on the button pressed.
So hello everyone. So this is the AP14 project or Arduino project 14, which is the infrared control light. So we're just going to use a infrared and remote for this. So for the remote to work, we're just going to include a library, which is our remote library for the infrared signal decoding. So this is where we going to get the decoding of the remote into the infrared sensor or receiver. So after that, we're going to initialize or declare a variable, which is 11, digital pin 11, which is our IR receiver. So our receiver pin 11, then the LED, which is 10, then the boolean LED state, which is the variables to store the chord state of the LED on and off. Then after that, we're going to create an object same as we did for the servo by including the remote. So for that, we're going to do I receive, then the pin that we stored the I receiver. Then we're going to create another variable to store the decoded R signal result, which is here. Then after that, in the void setup, we're going to start a serial communication at 9600 BOD to see what is the I receiver values or results. So after that, we're going to start the I receiver by just calling this I receive CP enable R in. Then pin mode. So just we're just going to make the LED output pin, LED pin output. Then after that, in the void loop function, check if the I receive was received or decoded. So in the if condition, if the I receive decode, we're just going to decode and reference this result here. Then if it's received and decoded, we're going to print the decoded value in the hexadecimal format to the serial monitor here. Print ln result value by hex. Then if the receive R code matches the power button, which is equivalent to here 0xFDOOFF, we're going to toggle the LED. Another to remind you, by installing the library of this, we're just going to go with the library manager in the Arduino IDE, then install the IR remote library. Then the version of this is 2.6.1. So that's it. So let's go back with the IR receiver that matches the power button. So if the condition result point value is equivalent to 0xPD0FF, which is the power button, we're going to flip the LED state on. If it's on, it will become off. If it's off, it will becomes on. So digital write LED pin, then LED state, which is here boolean true or false here. We're just going to apply the new LED state. We're just going to set this true or false, so high and low, depending on the flip state that we got. So if it's on, because it becomes off. If it's off, becomes on. So after that, we're just going to prepare the receive to the next IR signal, yada yada. So that's the function of the IR receiver and the AP14 project.